Hello animal friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel full of nature knowledge. On this occasion, we will explain an interesting and mysterious natural phenomenon: the seasonal migration of birds to the south during winter. Why do these birds make the long and grueling journey to warmer regions? Let's explore together. 1. Cold weather and limited food supplies. Winter is a time when the weather in northern regions often becomes very cold and inhospitable for birds. Extreme weather like freezing rain and snow can make finding food difficult. Trees lose their leaves, reducing hiding places and food sources such as fruits and seeds. Therefore, birds find it necessary to seek warmer areas in the south that still have enough food supplies to survive. 2. Migration for survival. Migration is not an option for birds, it is a necessity for survival. Over time, birds that do not migrate during winter will find it difficult to find food and face the risk of dying due to bad weather. Therefore, they are driven by instinct to make the long journey south, which is a necessary step to maintain the survival of their species. 3. Breeding and protection against harsh winters. Migration is also closely linked to the breeding process of birds. Many bird species spend the summer in northern areas to breed and raise their young. After the summer ends, harsh winters and lack of food sources pose a serious threat to these youngsters. Therefore, mother birds take their young to warmer southern regions during winter, where the weather is more stable and food supplies are greater. Migration is a way for them to provide protection against the dangerous winter. 4. Advantages of migration in hunting. During migration, birds often find abundant hunting opportunities. The areas they pass through are often home to a wide variety of insects, fish and other animals that they can catch and consume as food. Migration gives them the opportunity to fulfill their food needs more efficiently than remaining in difficult northern areas. 5. Excellent navigation. One of the most amazing things about migratory birds is their ability to travel long distances and return to their breeding grounds. They are equipped with an incredible navigation system that involves knowledge of the sun, stars, magnetic fields, and perhaps even a sense of smell. This is one of the mysteries of nature that scientists have yet to fully understand, but bird migration remains a testament to the wonders of adaptation and instinct in nature. 6. Physical and behavioral adaptations. In addition to great navigation systems, migratory birds also have physical adaptations that help them on these long journeys. Some birds have strong, aerodynamic wings that allow them to fly quickly and efficiently. They can also regulate their metabolism to conserve energy during the journey. Behaviors such as hunting collectively in groups can also help them face the challenges of the journey. 7. Challenges and threats during migration. Although migration is a natural response to the harsh winter, the journey is not easy. During migration, birds face a variety of challenges, including bad weather, predation by predators, and exhaustion. Millions of birds can even be trapped by tall buildings and bright lights at night, disrupting their migration path. Therefore, environmental conservation is essential to protect their migration routes. 8. Beauty and ecological value of migration. Bird migration is not only an amazing natural phenomenon, but also has great ecological value. They help in the dispersal of seeds and insects, and maintain the balance of ecosystems in different regions. In addition, bird migration is also an important tourism attraction, bringing economic benefits to areas where migratory birds stop over. In exploring the phenomenon of bird migration, we come to appreciate the complexity and wonder of nature. Bird migration is an example of how nature has unique ways of adapting and maintaining the survival of its creatures. We hope that this video helps you understand why birds make the long journey south for the winter and why we must keep their environment safe. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also interested in the beauty of nature. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.